Hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking Pro. In this channel, we're gonna be basically cooking different dishes from different cultures, like America, Middle Eastern. You know, we always love to cook, and we thought of why not make our YouTube channel and help you guys cook. He gonna be my cameraman.
And me, I'm in Clout.
And
Fun fact, we're from Iraq.
yeah, we're from Iraq. You know, we always love to cook. It's a part of our culture to cook, basically.
For sure.
And it's gonna be in my kitchen. He's gonna be the cameraman, like I said, and we're gonna be cooking a lot. And if you want your dish to be
Leave in the comment below the video.
yeah. And basically, the whole reason of this channel is to help you be a better chef or better cooker. Because sometimes it's hard to find things to eat, and it's better to cook it at home than go to McDonald's or fast food restaurants. So that's why we
Save
try
a
to
lot
make
of money.
yeah. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna be posting maybe next week. We're gonna be posting next week. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, leave your like too, and don't forget to hit that ring notification bell, because if you don't hit it, then you're gonna miss all my videos.
And then you'll miss out on some good dishes.
That's
Peace
right.
out with y'all.
I'll see you soon.